Okay, so I had already done a video today because I got my other box in, and I didn't have time before work to do this one. So now I've had a very long day because I work for the cable company and I'm a supervisor, and so I just get yelled at all day long by customers. So anytime you have issue with your cable, your bill, we're people too that you talk to. Anyway, so I got in my Fab Fit Fun box, which is always fun. These boxes on here. Alright, so let's see what goodies we have. And I kind of want to make this quick because Philip's going to bed. I got in another box too while I was at work. So that video is going to have to wait probably. Or maybe not at all because I'm sick of it. Alright, hopefully the TV's not too loud, but hockey's on, and if you watch my videos, which you do because you're watching this one, I love hockey. Alright, so I've got black eye mask. So it's for my eyes, which I probably need right now because I feel like they're just... So I got an eye mask. Thrive Cosmetics Ring Highlighting Stick. Alright, let's open this. I like highlighting. Comes with a built-in sharpener. Oh, that's pretty. Let's see if I can get any highlight here. Gabe, you want me to do your makeup?
No.
Oh, alright. Well, I can't see crap. I'm now Instagram ready. Alright, then I've got a Hava Hydration Cream Mask. Is this one that I have to... Oh. Rinse after 3 to 5 minutes or leave on all night. But then do I rinse it off in the morning? I don't know. It doesn't tell me. I need direction. And like, I feel like there's a lot of stuff in here. Pure, be your own selfie eyeshadow palette, because we all know I need another stinking eyeshadow palette. It's one of these. I don't know if I want to open it because it's gift time for... I already got my girls tons of eyeshadow though, so. It even tells you like what kind of brush to use. Like it's like, use a medium flat eyeshadow brush to pack shimmer shades onto the eyelids. Use a crease brush for the deeper shade. Don't tell me how to live my life. I'll do what I want. I'll apply makeup however I want to. Maybe that lady I talked to on the phone today was right. I do have an attitude. Well, these are pretty. I don't know if they'd look good on me, but they're very pretty. I don't like wearing shimmery eyeshadow because I'm old. And they make me look old. So we'll see if I keep that or if I gift that. Do you feel my like no energy? Because it's there. Elevate 2 essential oils with fractionated coconut and jojoba oil. I admit it, I'm one of those essential oil dorks, but not like to the point I won't sell it. I buy the crap out of some Young Living essential oils, but I refuse to sell it because it's not me at all. So, but if this had, ooh, that's some eucalyptus. If this has the coconut oil in it, I don't think I should use it in my diffuser. Yeah, this I think is supposed to be directly applied. So I got eucalyptus and sweet orange. Oh, that makes me happy. I like it. I don't know if there's like there's like science behind essential oils. I wouldn't know, but I don't care. All right, Bite Beauty Amuse Bouche lipstick. Said it once, and I'll say it again. I don't use lipstick. I use liquid lip crap. That's the technical term for it. Liquid lip crap. So, oh, well, you know, on the package, it's red, but it is not a red lipstick. It is a beige. The name of it is meringue. Well, I say meringue, but is that meringue? I don't even know. I don't know words anymore. Merry Christmas to my daughter. Alright. What else do I have? A necklace. I like jewelry. I don't understand why my son has not come out here to show me his new hamster that he was really excited to show me. Oh. How do we get it out of the thing? Do I have to rip this? Okay. So this is a circular necklace. Yep, it's a circle. I very much like it. A lot. And I really like the necklace that I wear that I think I got from here. Because it's like the little bar thingy and it says Inspire. And I love it, except it's gold and I don't usually wear gold, so I'm like, I clash. But this, I like it a lot. So nobody's getting that for Christmas because it's Mama's. Bear paw. These look like slippers. I love slippers. I have unicorn slippers. I wear them all the time. And this is absolutely not slippers. This is something that I don't need because I don't live in the cold. But I'm going to open it anyways. So, where were you when I went to Michigan? This is a hair thing. I mean, a whatever, headband. I probably just wiped off my eyebrows. It's okay. That looks attractive. So, it's a super good look for me. Gabe, do you think that's good? He's not even, he's so focused right now. We're just gonna leave that right there. And then little gloves.
Right there.
Right there. Little fingerless gloves. And then they have the thing to like make them mittens. Look, never lived in cold weather. I don't understand this. Why would you want a mitten? Like, so you can't do anything. Why is this a thing? Somebody please explain it to me in the comments why you want a mitten where you're like a frog instead of like having gloves with fingers. I need to know these things. Please tell me how that works. Alright, moving right along. Oh, I think this is the last thing. Like, this was in here as like a... Ah, just kidding. You thought you were getting more. But I got... I think it's a blanket. So this says Mark and Graham personalized gifts, but it's a brown blanket. So what there's absolutely nothing personalized about that. And it's like I want to open it and look at it, but then what if I want to give it to somebody? Do you like this? No.
What?
What? He goes, what? Like you don't notice this freaking thing on my head? Oh, I shouldn't open this because I want to give it as a gift, but I don't know who to. But I guess I gotta look at it. Alright, so I think it's a blanket. I hope it's a blanket because if it's not a blanket, it's worthless. Alright. It's either a blanket or a shawl or something. It smells like butt. Oh, I hate the smell. Why does it smell like that? Whatever. It is a little brisk this evening. I want more presents. Hey, Zach, there's a little package on the table. Will you get it for me? Please hurry. I don't want to like do another video for the next thing that I got. I'm just going to open it right now because it's my presents. God, this thing really stinks. Yeah, that. Oh, let me see your hamster. Excuse me. Alright, so 2-for-1 special, right? Yay! This is that mystery box of awesome that I keep saying I'm going to cancel that I never cancel. So, what? Create your own snowman and watch it melt. We're gonna have to do. That thing's huge.
It's a baby.
That's not a baby. That's a giant rat.
It's a certain type of hamster.
Give me it. What is it? What kind of
like
hamster?
A Syrian hamster or something.
Hello. Are you gonna bite me? Oh, look at him. Is it a boy or a girl?
A boy. His balls are
Is your Oh, good. I have balls on me. Is your other one a boy or a girl?
Girl.
A girl.
They're not in the same cage.
They're not?
No.
You're so cute. What'd you name it?
Gizmo.
Gizmo?
Yeah, from Steve Jobs.
From what?
From the Gremlins.
Okay, good. You at least know what it's about. You have red eyes. He looks like so interested in what's going on right now. Look at this little face. Look at that face.
You should be lucky that he's calmed down because yesterday.
He bit you? Okay, here, get it away from me then.
No, it was just because I grabbed his ball on accident.
Why would you grab a do I want to create a snowman? Do you want to build a snowman? No. Screw it. We're not going to build a snowman. And then, what if these are things that I can give to you and you're... This is... It's a water bottle, but really it's to put your wine in so you can sneak it in somewhere. So I can be a wino. What else we got? Fake can wraps. Again, to be sneaky. And so like if you want to have a beer, but you're driving, which why would somebody do because that's illegal.
You can bring it into like an amusement park.
You can't bring any drinks into an amusement park.
You can bring it into places.
You can bring it into places. I don't know what places.
You can drink it while you're walking around.
Yeah, so if you want to like be drinking a beer but not get in trouble for... Oh, the beach. That's a good one. The beach, because you're not supposed to... I don't know if you're supposed to have alcohol on the beach. So you can use this... Opa! You can use this fake thing to hide the fact that you're drinking a beer. Don't get any ideas, son. And... Smart Saver. Save your phone and tablet from water. So if you drop your phone in water, you can put it in this instead of rice, I guess, and save your phone.
Good idea.
This juvenile delinquent is eyeballing these like, oh, that's such a good idea. Fool, you.
No, like not for me, but like for people that are trying to sneak these into like sneak beers or something into like things. You could
Sneak
easily
beers
put-
into things.
No, but like even if it's like the bottle of beer, you could put that over it.
Yeah, make it like a root
Yeah.
beer. I don't think this is gonna look legit. I mean, maybe the root beer, but like, what is J and S? Like,
Nobody's gonna question it.
everybody's gonna question it. I'm gonna question everybody now. That's a snowman. I asked if you wanted to build a snowman, and you said no.
He's lame. Snowman.
So that's all my things. It was like Christmas for me because I'm probably not getting anything for Christmas.
Why not?
Not from my children that I've spent like hundreds and hundreds
Okay,
of
but I
dollars
have
on.
no money.
Whose fault is that? Everybody's hiring right now,
I know, I
and you
applied
never
like
got
4
a job.
places.
Because you're a hoodlum.
I'm not a hoodlum.
My kid's really cute though. Look at this kid. Come here. Look at that stud. He should be a model. If you're a modeling agency and
I'm a toe model.
would let, he's a toe model. You got some nasty feet. What are you talking about? You're a toe model. But if you would like to represent my child and make his modeling dreams come true, or mine, because I am rocking this right now. I'm gonna go to bed now.
Have fun.
Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.